They're off the dock there, and one would expect, as it's gone away, Anthony Robertson now, he's got it all to himself with no Malcolm Jemison to give him a hard time. It's turn one as he takes it nicely and just lets it drift out. That's a beautiful turn there from the young fella, Sammy. We'll see him slam these cans. It's a traditional way that he does it. It's his signature on the course. Watch the little boat up front there, the GRA, as he brings it around, already opening up the field. Sammy, a beautiful drive here from the young fella.
Yeah, Robertson, absolutely, as you said, probably one of the very, very fiercest competitors to hit those cans, and he hits them hard. Storno drifted out a little bit there, and eventually Dookie got around very, very well. Then the Advocate further back in the field, Fire Security Services. Advance over on the outside, the blue one, and then we move back to Placemakers back through the field. And the Vatican Popey is not going all that well at the moment as the race leader in the front runner once again. They are flying, Storno.
They are absolutely flying, and I can tell you what, there, Red Chili very confident in the boat because it's 3 times now he's hooked the boat around the wash of the young Anthony Robertson. Once again, he steps across the wash. There's a problem that if you do that sometimes the boat may skip, but obviously very confident that the boat will hold its own in wash.
Yeah, well, he's absolutely flying. Dookie up there in second place. He is trying to run down Anthony Robertson the first way he can, and the hardest the first way he can. As Robbo hits the corner very hard, moved down a bit that time. Allowed the Red Chili to get up in underneath the wash with him now. He goes faster down once again. They're clear of the Advocate and then further back to Fire Security Services. Advancing right off the track there, allowed Placemakers to get up inside and sort out and then further back to the Vatican.
Well, Placemakers now just being swallowed up on the field a little too late, not enjoying the 2.5 mark acceleration out of the can, but did spoke to young Anthony last night there, and I said he did not need to choke the boat, try not to lock the pace out. He's now going a little bit wider, Sammy, and it looks like he goes too wide, but in fact keeping the speed up well, maintaining his lead.
He certainly goes faster now once again. 10 laps of the circuit this one, and Anthony Robertson is the Gilligan Row and Associate boat, but shows the way down to the side, down along the back part of the circuit from Red Chili in second place. They do use driving a tremendous race here in Red Chili, and then further back to the Advocate. Fire Security Services is getting a bit of pressure from Placemakers now as the race leader in the front row once again.
Yeah, Red Chili really monitoring the young fella up here in the GRA race 21 boat now as he comes to the finish turn once again. Just copybooks driving turn after turn. It's not for the precision, you just say the guy's been doing it for about 20 years. A great young driver now as he exercises, he's right up front. He can dominate the cans where he likes. He can actually do a face-off, and that leaves a bit of dirty water. But Red Chili now just holding station in second. They just set the Advocate then back into third.
Yeah, well again, Robertson really hit that corner hard and went out very, very wide again. But so too did Dookie and Red Chili as they go through it. The Advocate also following that line as well. So they're hitting that one at full speed there, coming in the front once again. As Robbo goes to the side once again. Winds up and gets round there. Drifts it right out to the nose. He drifted it very, very wide.
Once again, he flies past the wash. He looks for good water. Oh, it may have cost him here. Looks like Red Chili up the inside, Sammy. Let's keep her on. He's kept his pace up out wide. Will he slam the can now? It's time to start and work the boys again, young fella. As Red Chili turns deep inside and it's head-to-head, Sammy. These guys haven't given up as yet.
Well, Dave Dookie is driving a brilliant race. He is up to within a boat length of the race leader. Robbo's here. Oh, look at it coming together, Storno. I don't think so, but it was a near miss.
It was close there. Dave now making sure that he knows he's there, and I'd say the young fella there, Anthony Robinson, he'll start moving back onto the boys. He was being fairly generous, but at this point now he'll say, right, I'm going to cover this one.
Yeah, well, they're going through the race. leader Anthony Robinson in the Gilligan Railway Associates Formula 1 boat. And he is pushed out of the wash there of the advanced mate in front of me. Red Chili Dave Juniors run a brilliant race in second place. They've got right away from the Advocate. Then further back in the field, Fire Security Service, the placemaker just passed. But here comes Robbo, Thorlo.
Robbo's through for a first and a very good comeback for Red Chili. I tell you what, how close can they get mid-race? That was very, very close. And impressive.